put my whole house on blackout protection. The screen here updates every second or so. Are you looking at getting a home solar battery? Do you have a single phase connection to the street, but you need an inverter that's got the grunt to power big loads? Then this inverter is the one we're going to recommend for you. This is the DEYE SUN-12K-SG02LP1-AU-AM3. It's a long name for a great inverter. This is a 12 kilowatt inverter, as the model name suggests. And if you're looking at something that can power an entire house on a single phase connection without really having to compromise, then this is the one. It's got 12 kilowatts of backup power. So if you're looking to power things like pools, big air conditioners, induction cooktops, and ovens, this is the sort of thing we're going to be looking at. It can do up to 60 amps of pass-through current. So if you've got a 63 amp connection, which is pretty standard for a single phase house, then when you put the whole house on backup protection with this inverter, you're really not compromising anything. So we can imagine we've got the grid on this side, we've got the inverter in the middle, and then your entire house is set up on the backup loads. If you've been quoted on batteries before and they say things like, we're going to back up 2 circuits or 3 circuits, and you have to pay more to get more circuits backed up, that's probably because they're either wanting to run thinner cabling or their inverter doesn't have the grunt to back up your whole house. So let's take a closer look at this beastie in front of us here. Look at that. All right, so mounting bracket there, user manual, then packing foam. All right, let's just pop this one on its side here. I'm not going to stand it up like you normally would because it's got the glands on the bottom, which will get damaged. So I'll put it on its side like this. And the first thing you can see, it's a pretty plain looking inverter. One thing that does differentiate this one from a lot of other inverters on the market is that we do have a screen. So with most apps that you get, they're going to be updating something like every minute, 2, or some of them are even 5 minutes before you get an update on your app to know how much power you're drawing. The screen here updates every second or so, which means that if you're looking to try and figure out exactly how much specific loads are drawing in your house, you can figure it out by sort of turning them on and off and watching this screen. If we look to the bottom here, look at the size of these glands. This one here is the battery terminal. So we're looking at very, very thick cable to be able to provide the loads that this can actually give to your house. So we're looking at 250 amps of current, maximum charge and discharge from this to the batteries. It won't quite hit that much with the voltage that our batteries run at, but it will be close. Another really cool feature of this inverter here is you can see these are our PV glands here. So these are for the solar panels. This inverter has 3 trackers. Not many single phase inverters, not many inverters at all have 3 trackers. And what that really means is that if you have solar panels on the roof, if you've got some that are east facing, some that are north facing, and some that are west facing, each of those have to be on their own tracker. So with this inverter here, there's no compromises. You don't have to muck around with DC optimizers, which are expensive and also a compromise at the end of the day. You put each one of those onto their own tracker and you're going to get great performance from panels in all different areas. Even if they're in the same direction, let's say you've got some that are east facing and some that are north facing, but half of that northern roof gets shaded, you can split them onto different trackers and the array that's not getting shaded will perform perfectly, whereas the array that is getting shaded will be optimized by the tracker. It'll produce less, but if you didn't have those 3 trackers, as soon as any of the array gets shaded, you either need to start putting optimizers on there to keep it efficient, or you're going to have to start losing efficiency. So one other really cool thing about this inverter, because it is such a chunky monkey, if you have a look at the side here, this has active cooling. So again, not all inverters on the market have active cooling. Ultimately, if you're watching this video, you're probably living in Australia, it gets hot. If it's in your garage, it's not uncommon for garage temperatures to reach 50 or 60 degrees, especially if the sun's hitting that garage door, especially if you're parking a car in there that you've just driven home in, it can get really hot. And so forced cooling can actually be really important, especially when you're drawing big loads as well. So if you're putting this inverter in, that's because you're planning on drawing big loads. What other benefits do we have from a 12 kilowatt inverter? If you're looking at any of the free charge plans that are on at the moment, OVO or Glowbird, a 12 kilowatt inverter is going to allow you to fill your batteries faster than anything smaller. So if we think about a 10 kilowatt, they don't quite get that rate into the battery, so it's going to be about 9.5 kilowatts into the battery during your free charge period. Across 3 hours, you're going to get just a little bit less than 30. If you step up to the 12 kilowatt from a 10, you're going to be getting, 35-ish, something like that into your battery. So my next favorite part about these DEYE inverters is I really feel like they straddle the difference between a purely on-grid inverter, something that's almost like a city kid, and a full off off-grid inverter, if we're thinking like a Victron, something that's designed to work in a caravan or a yacht or something like that, these are really solid. Their blackout protection is phenomenal. With a lot of inverters, when you do lose power, you will see the lights go off for a second, all the clocks in your house have to be reset. When we've been testing with these day ones, what we notice is we flick that main switch to simulate a grid outage. The lights dim a little bit, but they don't fully go off. So same with all your clocks, you're not gonna have to reset them. So if you're looking for something that's just no fuss, not have to worry about what am I backing up, what am I not backing up, just put my whole house on blackout protection with something that's got the grunt to do it, then this is the inverter that you want. So if you're interested in an inverter like this one, get in touch, hurricaneenergy.com.au, give me a call, give one of my business partners here a call. We can talk you through if this inverter is going to be right for your house. We've got even bigger inverters. There's a 16 kilowatt version of this as well if you're feeling really spicy. We even did a 25 kilowatt version, but that was a 3-phase. So if you're talking big power, we're here to help. Again, jump on our website, hurricaneenergy.com.au.